You say you have goals, but your calendar looks like a toddler's scribble pad. You want to succeed, but your to-do list's been staring at you like a jilted lover for 6 months. Let's stop pretending your issue is time. It's not time. It's you. You have the attention span of a TikTok squirrel and the follow-through of a wet paper towel. And yes, I'm the Dark Light Mentor, here to drag you out of your motivational fantasy and drop-kick you into reality. Discipline isn't a mood. It's a choice you make when your brain screams no and you say, shut up, we're doing it anyway. You keep waiting to feel ready. Readiness is for amateurs. Professionals move whether it hurts, rains, or their inner child wants a nap. You think successful people wake up glowing with purpose? Number. They wake up, hate everything, and work anyway. That's discipline. Ugly, cold, relentless, beautiful. Here's your challenge. Part 1. So stay sharp. For the next 24 hours, do what you said you'd do last week but didn't. You know the one. The task rotting in your mind like spoiled milk. Do it. No skipping. No tomorrow. No excuses. And no, brushing your teeth doesn't count. Do the one thing that actually moves the needle. That's your first test. I'll know who's faking it. You've trained your brain to treat commitment like a joke. Start, stop. Swear this time's different. Then vanish like a ghost with Wi-Fi issues. Discipline is a muscle, and yours is flabby, flinching at discomfort. But that's not your ceiling. It's your starting line. You don't need a new planner. You need to stop lying to yourself about what consistency feels like. It's not sexy, not poetic. It's war. Want me to polish it further or keep this edge? The real kicker? You keep searching for hacks, thinking there's some golden shortcut. There isn't. The only hack is this. Do it when you don't feel like it. Master that, and the game bends to your will. Until then, you're just another victim of your own brain's sweet-talking nonsense. So here's the deal. Part 2 of the challenge is coming at the end, but I won't hand it to tourists. Only the ones who make it past the dopamine crash deserve to hear it. Stay locked in. Click away now, and congrats. You just proved you can't even finish a video about finishing. Irony's crying in the corner, but if you're still here, there's potential under the rubble. Discipline isn't found. It's built brick by miserable brick until one day you realize your life isn't run by emotions. It's run by you. Final test. Ready for part 2? Drop one word in the comments. Built. If you made it this far, you've earned it. Now for the next 7 days, repeat the task. Same time, same way, no escape. That's the game. No prizes, just results. Let's see if you've got the guts to build what others quit dreaming about. Or if you'll vanish back into the scroll like nothing happened. See you in the next round, if you're still standing. Would you like it even tighter, or is this the balance you're after?